How to make payments with your debit card on the Iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can make payments with your debit card on the Iconic. To make payments on the Iconic with your debit card, the first step is to choose a payment option. But before then, log in into your Iconic account just like I have done here, and then you can now go ahead and order your products. So for me, I'll be selecting the products that I want to make an order for. So after selecting the products, or for example, if you select the beauty category, just like I have done here, you will still have to narrow down your search to an aspect of the beauty category. And here I selected skincare, and I'm also selecting serums and treatment. And then after that, then you can now see the different kinds are available. So you can just go ahead and select the one you want. For me, I'll be selecting the double serum. Okay, so after selecting a product, it's returnable. The next step here is to click on add to bag. All right. After clicking on add to bag, the next thing to do is to click on view bag, and then you'll be taken to the checkout page. So this is where the main business is. Okay, so once you're on this page, you'll be asked to um add select the quantity, the amount, and whatever. And then by the right side of the screen, you can see the number of items, you can see the amount. And then the next step is, after the deliveries page or deliveries box has loaded, next is to click on place your order. So after clicking on place on your order, you'll be taken to the place where you are to pay. That is your payments page. On this page, you will see various payment options, including card payments, Apple Pay, or PayPay. So the next thing to do is to select the debit card payment option. Okay, after selecting debit card payment option, you would have to manually input the necessary payment information. Okay, and this information will include your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. Then you have to confirm the transaction by following any additional prompts that the Iconic might show you. All right, and then you might be asked to enter in your pin. Just follow it as yours, and then just like that, you'll be able to make payments using your debit card. It's actually very simple, but the major process is that after clicking on place your order, ensure you select payments through debit card on the payments page. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.